Welcome to Karura Forest, a peaceful oasis in the heart of Nairobi. Spread across over 1,000 hectares, this green gem offers a sanctuary for both nature and the city dwellers seeking a breath of fresh air. As you step into the Karura Nature Trail, you're immediately embraced by the serene beauty of indigenous trees, vibrant flowers, and the soft rustle of leaves in the wind. The forest's trails, stretching over 50 kilometers, invite you to explore this urban haven, whether you're looking for a tranquil walk, a challenging jog, or simply a moment of reflection. Karura Forest is home to a rich biodiversity. Keep your eyes open for the vibrant flashes of color from birds and butterflies that call this forest home. Listen closely and you'll hear the calls of different species, a reminder of the forest's vital role in conserving Nairobi's natural heritage. The nature trail leads you to some of Karura's hidden treasures, like the tranquil Karura Falls, where the water cascades gently into a serene pool below. You'll also come across bamboo grooves that sway gracefully in the breeze, and mysterious caves that once provided shelter during the Mau Mau resistance. This forest isn't just about nature. It's about community. On any given day, you'll see families, friends, and visitors from all walks of life enjoying the forest. Whether you're biking, having a picnic, or simply taking in the surroundings, Karura is a place where nature and humanity coexist harmoniously. Karura Forest stands as a symbol of environmental resilience and community action. Thanks to ongoing conservation efforts, what was once an area under threat from urban development is now a thriving ecosystem protected for generations to come. Visitors are encouraged to participate in these efforts, ensuring that this precious forest remains a sanctuary for all. As the sun sets over Karura, the forest begins to settle into a peaceful quiet. A day here leaves you feeling refreshed and inspired, a reminder of the profound connection we share with nature. So, take a moment, breathe deeply, and let Karura Forest remind you of the beauty and tranquility that lies just beyond the city's hustle and bustle. Come discover Karura Forest, a hidden treasure in Nairobi, where nature, history, and serenity meet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for staying till this far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!